The National Weather Service in San Diego. Riverside County in Southern California. East Central Orange County in Southwestern California until 5:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain bands moving towards the Holy Burn Scar. The rainfall rate of 0.40 inches in 30 minutes.
Why didn't this thing go off?
Excessive runoff in canyons and possibly debris flows. This affects Lorseppis, Indian, Leech, McVicker, Trabuco, and Temescal canyons. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Obey road closures and evacuation notices. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Western Lake Elsinore, Rancho Santa Margarita, Ortegas Highway, Temescal Valley, Trabuco Canyon, Trabuco Highlands. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will likely result in debris flow moving through the Holy Burn Scar. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Flood warning for the following counties in California. Flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, Northwestern San Diego County in Southwestern California until 5:31 p.m. National Weather Service for the following counties of their heavy rain issued a northwest flood warning for counties including County in Southern California. Northwestern inches in 30 minutes and 0.75 inches in 1 hour are expected. A heavy rainfall will cause dangerous flooding to creeks and urban areas. Avoid low-lying areas and domain detours. Rapid rises on the Santa Margarita River will occur through 6 p.m. When flooded, turn around gone drown. Some locations that will likely experience flooding in 1 hour are expected. Rain Vista and dangerous Delaware Park in small areas, Valley Center. Avoid low-lying areas and domain detours. Rapid rises on the Santa Margarita River will occur through 6 p.m. When flooded, turn around gone drown. Some locations that will likely experience flooding include Oceanside, Carlsbad, and the stability of